Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHR. Today, we will see how to use the Nova AI feature in TrackHR. With Nova AI, you don't just see data, you get smart insights that help you make better business decisions quickly and easily. First, open the TrackHR app on your phone. As soon as the app opens, you will see the TrackHR dashboard screen. At the bottom right corner, you will find the Nova AI icon. Click on it, and the Nova AI screen will open. And now, let's start with the first question we asked: show my tasks for today. Nova AI displays your current shift status first. After that, it shows your tasks, especially the critical ones that need immediate attention. It also provides alerts and warnings to highlight tasks that should be handled on priority. Below that, Nova AI gives a detailed insight into your work, including which tickets are pending, which KPIs are pending, the description of each task, current status, due dates, how many days a task is overdue. You can view all this information directly in the response. Nova AI also provides recommended actions and suggestions. For example, it may suggest, address the 10-day overdue training ticket to prevent further turnaround time breach. This means that a training ticket has been overdue for 10 days, and Nova AI recommends completing it as soon as possible so that the overdue count does not increase further. You can also ask, what tasks is my team currently working on? When I asked this question, Nova AI provided a complete overview of my team's work. First, it showed my own tasks and highlighted the ones that are currently active or require attention. Next, it displayed the tasks assigned to my team members, including Sunil Kumar and Simran Jain, and showed what they are currently working on. In addition to task details, Nova AI also provided useful insights such as which tasks are due today, which activities are scheduled for today, which tasks are becoming overdue, which tasks require monitoring and follow-up. You can view all this information in one place without having to go through multiple reports. Nova AI also provides recommended actions and suggestions. It helps you understand which tasks should be reviewed first based on their priority and urgency. This allows you to focus on the most important work and take action quickly. Nova AI analyzes all the available data and directly tells you what is expected, what needs your attention, and which actions should be taken urgently. Instead of spending time going through large amounts of data and reports, Nova AI gives you clear insights and actionable recommendations, helping you make faster and better decisions. If you are satisfied with the answers provided by Nova AI, you can click the thumbs up icon. If you feel the response could be improved, you can click the thumbs down icon and provide feedback. This is how you can use Nova AI in TrackHR to get smart insights, prioritize your work, and take the right actions at the right time. Thank you.